Seafood lovers, welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales. Today it's time for salmon. We're going to make a quick and easy dish, but above all, very tasty. It will be pan-fried salmon, healthy greens, potatoes, and delicious pesto. I started boiling the potatoes because they take a while, and now the first thing to kick off with is making this pesto. A bit of cheese, cut them in a bit smaller pieces. Then 1 garlic clove, there we go. And the next step, pine nuts. No pesto without pine nuts, there we go. And I have 1 bunch of basil. I just have them in this pot too. So take off the leaves. I pour a bit of olive oil already in here. Well, you could use a pestle and mortar. I'm going to do it on the automatic way with this blender stick. So I give it a good blend, and the pesto is ready. It needs a tiny bit of acidity. Okay. Potatoes are boiling right here. I've got here a pan boiling water with a bit of salt. I'm going to blanch the veggies. First, I start off with broccoli. Broccoli and salmon go really well together. Cut off the florets, and I blanch them. There we go. Next one, sugar snaps. Important, you devein the sugar snaps. Okay, so I just throw these in right now with the broccoli. Here we go, the greens, potatoes, and now it's salmon time. Got beautiful fillets of salmon. I love the skin on. You get the crispiness outside, tenderness and juiciness inside. It is a special technique which I'm going to show you right now. And if you select your salmon, make sure it's coming from a sustainable source. If you choose for wild salmon, for example out of Alaska, you make a good choice already. It's all MSC certified, which means it's sustainably certified by the Marine Stewardship Council. If you choose for farm salmon, go for the ASC, which is Aquacultural Stewardship Council. Well, these are all the labels, but it's so important to take care for the future, guys. I'm using the farm salmon today. Make sure if you're going to pan fry, you have a good frying pan, but also to dry the fish properly. So, season fish with some salt, both sides. So veggies are ready. I'm taking these into a bowl. Add the potatoes with the veggies, and I just leave them here for a while. Okay, pan frying a salmon fillet on the skin. I'm going to add like, let's say a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And we start pan frying the fish on the skin side. So have these into the pan. Okay, salmon on here. Meanwhile, I've got here the veggies. And I'm going to add like, let's say 2-3 tablespoons of the pesto. And I give this a nice toss. Keep checking the salmon, guys. Look at this. And you see, the salmon skin is getting crispy, golden brown. I give this maybe 1 more minute. It's beautiful. And this is where you see that the flesh is becoming opaque. Turn them around. Beautiful skin. And I bring the heat to low. Plating up. I love sharing dinners, so what I do, having all the greens on 1 big platter. The salmon is cooked now from the skin side, but also from the flesh side. But I want to have it a bit warm inside. So what I do right now is show you a little technique. I take the salmon, look at this, beautiful, caramelized, on here. And now I take a bit of tin foil and cover it. I don't close it, I just cover it for maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, which means the salmon inside gets warmer, but not really cooked. Superb. Lemon juice, just to create a bit of acidity, not too much. Okay, good, here. How's the salmon, guys? Have a little look. Got this salmon on top, beautiful. Yeah, and I add a bit of extra pesto. And we'll top it off the salmon with a bit of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, a little taste. The salmon with the greens, with the pesto. Flavor of this beautiful salmon, the greens, the pesto. Tastes healthy, feels healthy, it's a great dish to make. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the box down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. And hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday.